Hello everyone, welcome to AB Max Solutions channel. In this video, we are going to see about product rule of derivatives. Let us consider f of x into g of x is equal to x square plus 2x into x plus 3. When we multiply exponents, if the bases are same, we can add the powers. So x square into x is equal to x to the power 2 plus 1, which is equal to x cube. Similarly, 2x into x is equal to 2 into x to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2x square. So x square into 3 is equal to 3x square and 2x into 3 is equal to 6x. Now adding all the like terms, you will get the next step as x cube plus 5x square plus 6x. Let us consider this function as p of x. So if p of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 6x, then let's differentiate this function. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. According to constant multiple rule, let's differentiate only the function. So 5 into differentiation of x square is equal to 5 into 2x, which is equal to 10x. So in 6x, let's differentiate only x, which is equal to 6 into 1, which is 6. So p dash of x is equal to 3x square plus 10x plus 6. So let us find the product rule from first principle. We know that f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So if p of x is equal to f of x into g of x, then p dash of x is equal to, in the place of f of x plus h, we will substitute f of x plus h into g of x plus h. And similarly, in the place of f of x, we will substitute f of x into g of x divided by h. Now we are going to add and subtract f of x plus h into g of x. So when we add and subtract that, the next step is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h into g of x plus h minus f of x plus h into g of x plus f of x plus h into g of x minus f of x into g of x by h. We added and subtracted f of x plus h into g of x. Now let us consider the first two terms and last two terms together. So among these two terms, let's take the common factor out. So in the first two terms, we have f of x plus h as common. And in the last two terms, we have g of x as common. So let's take the common factor out. So if we take the common factors out, we will get the next step as limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h into g of x plus h minus g of x plus g of x into f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Now we are going to split the terms. We have the common base h, so we are going to split it into separate terms. So the next step is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h into g of x plus h minus g of x by h plus g of x into f of x plus h minus f of x by h. According to some rule, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus g of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus limit h tends to 0, g of x. So we can apply the sum rule for these two terms. So the next step is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h into g of x plus h minus g of x by h plus limit h tends to 0, g of x into f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now among these two terms, the first term, we have f of x plus h as common factor. In the last term, we have g of x as common factor. Now we are going to apply the product rule for limits. So limit h tends to 0, f of x into g of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x into limit h tends to 0, g of x. Here the products are f of x plus h into g g of x plus h minus g of x by h. So we are going to apply the product rule. So the next step is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h into limit h tends to 0 g of x plus h minus g of x by h plus limit h tends to 0 g of x into limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now we are going to apply the limit h tends to 0. So when limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus 0, and this is the derivative of g of x. So instead of this, we can substitute g dash of x. Again, in this product, we don't have h, so we can remove the limit and write g of x as it is. And this is the derivative of f of x. So limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is equal to f dash of x. So f of x plus 0 is nothing but f of x. So p dash of x is equal to f of x into g dash of x plus g of x into f dash of x. So this is the product rule from first principle. So p dash of x is equal to f of x into g dash of x plus g of x into f dash of x. Or if y is equal to uv, then dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. When we differentiate y with respect to x, we will get this dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Now let's differentiate x square plus 2x into x plus 3 using this product rule formula. Here, let us consider p of x as x square plus 2x into x plus 3. Here f of x is equal to x square plus 2x and g of x is equal to x plus 3. So let's differentiate these two functions. So if f of x is equal to x square plus 2x, then f dash of x is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of 2x is 2. Similarly, g dash of x is equal to differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 3 is 0. So g dash of x is equal to 1. Let's substitute in p dash of x formula. So when we substitute the values, f of x is equal to x square plus 2x and g dash of x is equal to 1. So the first term is x square plus 2x into 1 plus g of x is equal to x plus 3 and f dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Now let's multiply these two factors. So x square plus 2x into 1 is nothing but x square plus 2x, and x plus 3 into 2x plus 2, let's multiply this. So we will get it as x into 2x is 2x square, 3 into 2x is 6x, and x into 2 is 2x, 3 into 2x is 6x. Now adding all the like terms, x square plus 2x square is 3x square, 2x plus 2x plus 6x is 10x, and let's write the 6 as it is. So we got the same answer like how we multiplied and differentiated the functions. We got the same 3x square plus 10x plus 6. When we apply product rule also, we got the same answer 3x square plus 10x plus 6. So let's differentiate. Y is equal to minus 2x power 4 plus 5x square plus 4 into minus 3x square plus 2 with respect to x. Let us consider the first factor as u and second factor as v. Let's differentiate u with respect to x. Here, let's take minus 2 is the constant multiple. Let's differentiate only x power 4 with respect to x. So which is equal to minus 2 into differentiation of x power 4 is 4x power 3. So which is equal to minus 8x cube. Similarly, let's keep the constant multiple 5 and differentiate only x square with respect to x, which is equal to 5 into differentiation of x square is 2x, which is equal to 10x. And differentiation of 4 is 0. So du by dx is equal to minus 8x cube plus 10x. And when we differentiate v with respect to x, here the constant multiple is minus 3. And let's differentiate only x square which is equal to minus 3 into 2x. When we multiply this, we will get it as minus 6x, and differentiation of 2 is 0. So dv by dx is equal to minus 6x. We know that y is equal to uv, then dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Let's substitute the values. So when we substitute, instead of u into dv by dx and v into du by dx, we will get this. Let's multiply the factors. So minus 2x power 4 into minus 6x is equal to 12x power 5. 5x square into minus 6x is minus 30x cube. 4 into minus 6x is minus 24x. Similarly, the second terms, minus 3x square into minus 8x cube is plus 24x power 5. 2 into minus 8x cube is minus 16x cube. Minus 3x square into 10x is minus 30x cube. And 2 into 10x is plus 20x. Now adding all the like terms, we will get the next step as 12x power 5 plus 24x power 5 is 36x power 5. Minus 30x cube minus 16x cube minus 30x cube is equal to minus 76x cube. And minus 24x plus 20x is equal to minus 4x. So differentiate 2x power 4 minus 3 into x square plus 1 with respect to x and comment your answer. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Thank you.